welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Nautique S25. Absolutely beautiful boat here. We're really excited to have this in stock. Starting with the exterior, we have this steel blue metal flake, which is really pretty, especially when the sunlight hits that. We've got the mystic white and the jet black hull bottom. Again, this boat's 25 feet in length. Got a nice stainless steel rub rail right here. As we walk back to the stern of the boat, got a really nice swim platform here with a ladder that does go down, and then you have a nice grab handle here. This boat does come equipped with the NSS, so the Nautique surf system. Basically, these plates come out, and then depending on what side you want to surf on, creates the shape behind the boat. We have the underwater lights here, the surf pipe that goes down into the water, shooting the emissions below the water. And then we have the NCRS, the Nautique Configurable Running Surface. This is very helpful, especially under a heavy load with ballast, getting the boat back on plane. And then we also option this with the steer assist here. So this is it's a great tool on this boat. You can drive this boat basically in a 360. It's really good in tight situations, getting on and off the dock. This is powered by the ZZ6 450. Let's go inside and check out some of the features. All right, welcome inside this beautiful S25. We're gonna start here at the swim platform and then make our way into the boat. As you can see here, we have the mocha brown non-skid, so it's a great entryway inside without stepping on all your upholstery. And then what I really like on the S-Series is the aft-facing seating. They're angled in so that you're able to anchor and hang out with your friends and family. We have a couple tow points here. We have one back here and then also one on the tower. And then the Mojave brown interior color. And then we also option this boat with an additional 500 pounds of ballast, giving it 3,300 overall. And then stepping inside the boat here, we've got our seat that does fold back. So you're able to hang out and watch what's going on behind the water. And then you can slide this right back into place. Plenty of cup holders on here. We've got the enhanced lighting package. So with the link pan array, you can easily adjust and rotate colors, pretty much every color you can think of. And then this is powered by JL Audio. We have the 8.8 speakers up here, and it's great sound quality on this boat. This does have the strapless board rack, so you're gonna be able to fit any size board in these racks, and then you can swivel and adjust these as needed. With the tower, it does fold down, and then we have a couple cotter pins on this side, and the bimini top completely lays flat on this boat. You just simply take off this boot, you deploy for sunshade, and then there's spots up there to store your boards as well. And then up at the helm, it's got that race car inspired seat, so it's really easy to get in and out and then turn and face what's going on behind the boat. This will have the link pan array screen on here that you can adjust, again, the lights, volume, shape of the wave, ballast control. Everything is so accessible on this boat. Plenty of storage on here, especially under here. And then right now we have the cover, which you can actually trailer the boat with the cover on. And then recessed glove box. And then Nautique does just a fantastic job paying attention to detail here with all the stitching on the upholstery and the flooring. We have a spot here to charge your phone and adjust the volume in there too. And then walking to the bow, the fun doesn't stop. We have plenty of seating up here on either side. Great spot to relax and hang out with your friends and family. This boat is located here in Rogers. Feel free to stop by, give us a call, or walk right on. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.